Namaste. Welcome back to Keerthyspeaks. Yet again, we dive into the timeless wisdom of Vidura Neeti, exploring a virtue that can transform our lives. Stay tuned because we have some powerful insights and practical tips just for you. Have you ever wondered why honesty is considered the best policy, or how being truthful can actually make your life easier and more fulfilling? Let's find out together. In today's world, dishonesty seems to be everywhere. Whether it's a small lie to avoid trouble, a big deception that hurts relationship, or hiding the truth at work, the lack of truthfulness is causing stress and mistrust. These issues arise because without truth, trust breaks down, and without trust, our personal and professional life suffer. Let's take a closer look at some common personal problems. Maybe you've had a fight with a friend because of a lie you told, or perhaps you feel guilty because you weren't honest about a mistake at work. These situations cause stress and unhappiness, affecting our mental and emotional well being. Vidura Neeti gives us clear guidance on how truthfulness can strengthen our character and improve our relationships. Truthfulness means being honest in our thoughts, words, and actions. It's about integrity, doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Vidura says in one of his shlokas, a person who is pure, proficient, and harsh to evil but gentle and straightforward is always respected by the wise. Imagine a society where everyone is honest, trust would flourish, and so would happiness. Vidura, the wise advisor from Mahabharata, taught us that truthfulness builds character. It earns us respect and trust. When we are truthful, people know they can rely on us, and that strengthens our relationships. He said, it means truth alone triumphs, not falsehood. Through truth, the divine path is spread out by which the sages whose desires have been completely fulfilled reach the supreme treasure of truth. These words remind us that truth is the foundation of a righteous life. Here are some simple ways to practice truthfulness in our daily life. Self-reflection. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on your actions. Were they truthful? For example, if you exaggerate a story to impress someone, acknowledge it and try to be more truthful the next time. Honest communication. Speak openly and honestly with everyone. If you're upset with a friend, instead of hiding your feelings, share them calmly. Integrity in actions. Ensure your actions match your words. If you promise to do something, make sure you follow. Handle difficult situations. Even when it's tough, try to stick to the truth. Admit your mistakes and resolve conflicts honestly. For instance, if you make a mistake at work, own up to it instead of covering it up. This builds trust and respect. Remember, being truthful does not mean being harsh. It's about being sincere and kind. But what about dealing with frauds and dishonest people? Vidura Neeti has guidance for that too. Vidura said in his shloka, it means the first sign of intelligence is to avoid starting something that is improper or deceptive. The second sign is to complete what is appropriate and just. Vidura advises us to avoid engaging with dishonest people from the start. Here are some practical tips that you can follow. Due diligence. Before trusting someone, especially in financial matters, do a thorough research. Verify their background and intentions. 2. Listen to intuitions. If something feels off about a person or a deal, trust your gut feeling. It is better to be cautious than regret later. Set boundaries. Be clear about your values and boundaries. If someone pressurizes you to lie or be dishonest, stand firm in your truth. Seek advice. When in doubt, seek advice from trusted friends or mentors. They can offer valuable perspectives and help you make wise decisions. So, friends, let's make a commitment to be more truthful in our lives and avoid dishonesty. Start with small steps and you'll see a big difference. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such wisdom from Vidura Neeti and other great teachings. Thanks for watching. Stay truthful, stay happy. See you in the next video. Namaste.